today I'm going to be showing you how to make KFC style chicken at home. So without waiting, let's get on with the video. For this recipe, you're going to be needing chicken. Now, in a large bowl, add 1 cup of curd, 1 cup of water at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and mix it all together. Add in your chicken and marinate it for about 3 hours. In a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Now mix it well. Now we're gonna be needing the chicken that we marinated earlier, all-purpose flour mix, and water at room temperature. Now coat your chicken in all-purpose flour mix and dip it in water. Now wait for the water to drain off and cover it once more in the all-purpose flour mixture. Repeat this step once more and do the same for the rest of your chicken. In the frying pan, add some oil and fry your chicken. KFC style chicken is ready to serve. It's so crispy, soft, delicious, and amazing. Try this recipe and comment down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Bye!